How to use Meta AI on your PC. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of AI and showing you how to use Meta AI on your PC. Let's dive in. Meta AI is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you with a wide range of tasks. From answering questions to generating text, Meta AI is your personal AI assistant. And the best part? It's available right on your PC. So, how do you get started with Meta AI on your PC? It's simple. Just open a web browser, go to the Meta AI website, and log in with your Meta account. If you don't have an account, don't worry, creating one is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you can start using Meta AI right away. Ask it a question, and it'll do its best to answer it. Need help with a task? Meta AI can assist you with that too. And if you want to generate some text, just let Meta AI know what you're looking for and it'll create it for you. That's it. With Meta AI on your PC, you've got a powerful tool at your fingertips. Try it out today and see what you can accomplish. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow us on social media for more tips and tricks. Join our Facebook page, Tips and Tricks, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the like button and leave a comment to let us know what you think.